My name is Hannah Michaels, and I am attending South Dakota State University. I will be a senior next year, and I've been an intern at Raven Aerostar as a purchasing intern. And some of my key internship duties are my main ones. Every week I get buy sheets, and since I'm a purchasing intern, I'm in charge of placing purchase orders and ordering the materials in and making sure that the vendors are staying on time and checking statuses, updates, and things like that. And also I'm the person that everyone inside of Aerostar, if any internal requests, I'm the person they go to for that. Some key takeaway lessons I've learned is just to ask for help if you need it. I think Raven has such a good work environment where if I need help doing something, I know I can ask somebody else, and together as a team we can get it done. And just the career-oriented environment, I've really gotten used to the pace of working 8 to 5 for 5 days a week, 40-hour work week, and I just think that's really going to prepare me well for when I get out into the workplace. And the main thing I like about working for Raven is definitely the people. Everyone is so nice and helpful, and I really will miss working with them. And I just love how when you do something well, everyone will let you know that, and it just really makes you feel really wanted and needed even as an intern. So that's an awesome feeling.
My name is Christian Carls, and I am attending South Dakota State University. And I am working here at Raven as a mechanical engineering intern this summer for the boom controls team. And a couple of the projects I'm working on are working with a few of the different valves that Raven has, and we are getting them back from the customers and taking them apart, looking at what's going on inside of them, and to see why they're failing or why they're experiencing issues with them. A couple of the things I'd like to take away from the internship are getting the experience to work with engineers out in the field in everyday work environment rather than just sitting through school with engineering students and them telling us what kind of problems or things to try and solve. And now I can actually see that stuff come to life and work on it firsthand. I liked working for Raven because of the people especially. I felt that when I came here I was very welcomed, and they were very helpful with whatever I needed, and they were able to point me in the right direction, and I felt right at home.
My name is Will Powell, and I'm a senior at the University of South Dakota, majoring in finance and minoring in Spanish. As a business development intern at Aerostar, my main project for the summer involves managing a software program, and the program actually involves two different aspects, one of which is tracking government opportunities for Aerostar. And so it kind of just gives us a chance to look at what business we want to pursue and is it likely that we'll win. And the other portion of the program actually involves managing customer contacts and managing the process at how we pursue work. And I had never worked with a software like this before, and it's been a huge learning curve for me thus far, but I absolutely love it, and it's really key to the success of Aerostar. The biggest thing that I've taken away from my internship at Raven is the value of communication and teamwork. Our managers really stress how important communication is, because if there's a lack of it, we're losing time, we're wasting resources, and most importantly, we're losing profits. And so our managers have really stressed the importance of communication and have done a great job in teaching me the key aspects in presenting and talking with colleagues and working with them. And so that's been the most valuable portion of my internship. What I've liked most about working at Raven is just the friendly atmosphere. Everyone here seems to be really close and really great friends, and it's really cool to see the vice president of Aerostar, talking about their weekend with a worker on the manufacturing floor. And it's just the relationships I've developed here have been really great and incredible, and it's actually going to be sad when I leave at the end of the summer.
My name is Alex Weidenbach. I'm a senior electrical engineer from South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. I've been interning with Raven since March. My internship duties include writing software for our control nodes, working with our sensors and hardware. Being an electrical engineer, you don't normally deal with a lot of embedded code, but here at Raven we do a lot of that. Key takeaways and lessons that I've learned at Raven is teamwork. We have one good group of guys that we all work together, and that's something that's different than school. School teamwork isn't really encouraged all the time on tests, but here and in the work world, teamwork is really encouraged, and there's a lot of good things that come out of that, and it's something I've learned here. One of the things I really enjoyed working at Raven was the projects that they had us working on. A lot of them were, challenging products, meaningful projects that were hard, and it allowed us as interns to show our creativity and our problem solving and our solutions. But yet, if we ran into a problem or if we ran into something that was a little harder, we had plenty of engineers to help us out and help us on the way and show us the path.
My name is Erin Cones, and I'm going to be a senior at SDSU. My major is advertising with minors in marketing and communications. I'm also a Spanish minor. I'm the multimedia marketing intern at the Engineered Films division. Some of the things I do on a daily basis include updating the comparison and product data sheets. I also am in charge of the 4 individual marketing PowerPoints throughout our division. I also manage the AdWord and analytic accounts that EFD holds, and I'm just starting a new project with the industrial market. We are introducing a new product to the foreign market overseas. Some of the things I enjoy about the Engineering Films department is just the overall culture, the people. I show up and I do something different every day. One of the main things I've learned through this internship is that you can't really accomplish anything without teamwork, and that it takes multiple departments and multiple people to make a successful company or product.
Hello, I'm Maddie Kahn, and I'm currently the Business Development Intern for Aerostar here at Raven Industries. I'm what you consider a super senior at South Dakota State University, majoring in Communications and Entrepreneurship. I work specifically with Aerostar and the business development team to clean up their Salesforce customer relation management system. This means I get to dedupe or deduplicate all of their accounts, leads, earned sales, and opportunities that they've created over the past 10 years. This hasn't been done in the last 5 years, so they've accumulated 1,000+ contacts that are obsolete, or no longer with the company, or no longer valid, considering we've changed our market target. Besides that, I also get to bring the company into the 21st century. This means I get to work with the marketing committee in trying to brand the new company logo all over everything. This means I work specifically with the quote systems, which allows me to learn about each individual product, aerospace, aerostats, and even protective wear, learning about their products and how we can use the quote systems to effectively make their jobs easier and faster and make Aerostar more productive.